spirit flies abroad, and soul remains. Dream as if you will live forever.
I'm now finished!
Yeah! Welcome home!
Leitmotif of Burning Man. I learn by going where I have to go. Radical inclusion, gifting, decommodification, radical self-reliance, radical self-expression, communal effort, civical responsibility, leaving no trace, participation, immediacy. These are the 10 principles of Burning Man. Everything is creative here. A dream you dream alone is only a dream. The dream you dream together is reality. The playgrounds of gods and goddesses. To lost friends, in these days of strife and conflict, we so easily forget to see the humanity in our fellow humans. To each, our life's road seems very normal, even ordinary. Yet, to others, it might seem an adventure, a dream fulfilled. When life's road has been done, neither monument or fame can capture our limb. That, well, as a long memory in a friend's heart. To truly arrive Burning Man, I must get lost in the sandstorm, Before I come to Burning Man, a friend told me, "You can die in Burning Man." I was laughing. This is the most beautiful tree I have ever seen. I'm baptized by the sand. I realize the power of finding myself resides on getting absolutely, completely lost. Once in a while, the snake will shake off their skin and transform itself to a new level of being. Fuck my husband, sparkle your ponies, above beyond group therapy, or smoke and mirrors, cycle your souls, Bloody Mary's Beats Bar, silent speed dating. Do not go gentle into the good light. Old age should burn and rave at close of day. No wise man at their end, no dark is right. Because their words at the forks no lightning, they do not go gentle into the good light. Good man, the last wave by, crying how bright their frail deeds might have danced in a green day. Rage, rage against the dying of the light. Do not go gentle into that light. Rage, rage against the dying of the light. And I truly encountered the universe and me on the Playa.